Mahmoud or Muhammad from Senegal.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Yes. Sheikh, is it permissible to ally with the Shias against the Jews and the Kuffar?
Is it allowed to do what?
To ally with the Shia against the Jews and the Kuffar, the Christians, the Americans, etc.
Generally speaking, this is something to be discussed by the scholars who know the nature of such Shia. Shia are divisions and layers. Some of them are normal Muslims who have no ill intent against the Muslims or do not say anything that goes against Islam. But there are Shia that are disbelievers. They are hypocrites. They say evil things about Mother Aisha. They slander Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and the vast majority of the companions of the Prophet ﷺ. They've distorted history. They say that the Qur'an we have is not perfect. There are surahs missing, and they put and add surahs to it. And they claim that the Mus'haf of Fatima is 70 times bigger than the one we have, and nothing from the one we have is in it. And they have expressed their hostility and animosity and hatred towards Islam since the beginning of time. As mentioned by Ibn Taymiyyah, that they are full-fledged hypocrites who hate Islam, and no calamity or fitna throughout history without finding their fingerprints and their impact and initiation of it from the Shia, from the Rafidah, to be correct and exact. So definitely such people are enemies of Islam. And whenever these enemies of Islam collide, the Jews and the Christians alongside the Rafidah, and they fight, we pray to Allah Azza wa Jal that Allah destroys one with the other. And we're happy when destruction happens to both, because they're all enemies of Islam, and their expression of hatred to Islam is obvious. Only blind people would overlook it. But we pray to Allah Azza wa Jal that He saves the Muslims, and that Allah Azza wa Jal protects them and takes them away from such tribulations and calamities. And we say, Allahumma ahlik al-zalimeen bil-zalimin wa akhrijna min baynihim salimin. Oh Allah, destroy the transgressors